today's episode, we're going to go back to the Herald because we do need to get that completed. We're going to do it retrospectively. Obviously it's already been completed, but I am taking you back in time to show you the process behind it because we needed to get it ready for the Malay Mile. I've just realised now that that door needs painting. Everywhere else has been painted apart from that door there, and it's starting to look a little bit weird and annoying me. Oh, brain's going off, and I've actually found an Adeline lever up there. Excellent. Oh, that's the old clutch one for Ducati, and it was too large a cylinder for the clutch, but it'll do for the brake lever, the new Ducati. Anyway, we digress. Back to the subject at hand. Today's video is the Herald, and we are spray painting the tank so that it looks mean, and to Joe's preference as well. So obviously, you know, signature colours, accents, all that kind of thing. Well, this is Joe's spin on it, so we are choosing a coral and an off-white as well. Two beautiful colours that go together. It's her preference, and also we've got a Mutt motorcycle seat put on it from the scrapyard. I think we paid £30 for it, £35 maybe. So that can go on the bike completely look because the old seat is ruined. So that is today's video. Stripping the old Herald tank, painting it, and putting it on, ready for the penultimate episode, which is the tyres. There's a little dent on this. Let me take this off the stand. There's a little dent. I don't know if you can just about see it, but where that little D is right there. Just about there. You can see where the D actually goes in there. It's a tiny little dent, and I need to sort it out. Now, a couple of ways that I could usually do it. Well, one way which I will try, and one way I'll probably have to be honest. I'm going to have to fill it, but what I'm going to try first of all is bash it. I've got this, which kind of... is it... Let's try the other way. It kind of goes the right way. No, that doesn't fit. I need something that goes at a little bit of a different angle. Now, this will do. If it'll reach. And it does reach. Hey! It's actually working. you go. And this is the bike with the tank on it. As you can see, it's got a beautiful coral, double chevron against the pale white as well, the off-white, and it is stunning. Now this bike has been to the Mali Mile. It is covered in dust. But yeah, I'm not showing you what the tyres are. They are for next week's video, and then that'll be the end of the Herald video. Awesome. So if you like what you see, and if you want to see me get back with the BMW, the R100, which is there, and also the Mongrel, which is also there, and then I might make a start on that. But yeah, if you want to stay up to date with those, follow me on Instagram, give me a follow, and I'll see you next week. Keep on building.